Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos. 164 tune cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I recently bought this one guys. It's a, what they call this? It's a Hino Racing Ranger Dakar Rally Truck. And the size of this guys is 143 scale. So it's kind of a little bit bigger than the Chorokyu and the Tomica or Hot Wheels guys. So as you can see guys, this is a 1991 Hino Motors, became the first Japanese truck maker to compete in the Dakar Rally guys. So it has missing parts like in here guys, it has also a set of fog lights, but it's missing. I did not get that. And a roll cage in here guys, both sides. So that's it. And last, one of the missing parts guys is the door at the rear. Okay, complete with decals guys, still intact. Without motor, only display guys. And this one guys is a metal and this one is a plastic. So this one guys is a mixed metal without any engine guys. Okay. So made by MTech Epoch Ltd. Scale 143 guys. Hino Racing Ranger FT. Made in Japan guys. Because it is made in Japan guys. I bought this one. And it's kind of heavy. And it's kind of a little bit vintage. It's almost 30 years. Because this one is released in 1991 guys. So this is not a Chorokyu, but a must in my collection. So this is my first Dakar Rally truck. It's been a while. I'm looking for this kind of truck guys. So this one guys, I bought this again on a surplus shop. Came from Japan. So when I have time guys, I will put a roll cage in here and a fog lights and a rear tail light. No, and a rear door. To see it complete guys. So this is MTech brand Epoch Hino Racing Ranger FT. It's made in Japan as you can see guys. And the scale is 143. And mix of metal and plastic. This is a Dakar Rally truck. And it's a vintage now guys. With extra tires on the rear. Then in good condition tires guys. That's it. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.